When we're troubleshooting a split heat pump and the low side shows low pressures and the high side shows high pressures, and we have a high superheat, we can assume that the unit is low, which happens most of the time. If you charge that unit with refrigerant and the high side continues to go up, but the low side stays the same, we may have a restriction in the liquid line. And the way that we test that is we will have low suction pressure, high head pressure. We're charging the unit with refrigerant, the head pressure is going up, the low side is staying the same, and we would have high superheat and we would have high subcooling. Now, one dead giveaway that the restriction is in the liquid line is the liquid line freezing up or condensating. If we have that liquid line leaving the condenser and it's freezing up or it's condensating, that's almost a dead giveaway that the restriction is in that liquid line. Now, what we can do is we can take a temperature probe and put it right on the liquid line where the liquid line leaves the condenser, and then go to the indoor unit and put a temperature probe on that liquid line before the metering device. And if there is a significant temperature drop on that liquid line, there's a restriction somewhere in that liquid line, and we can isolate it and we can make that repair. If the liquid line's freezing up, it's somewhere there. Now, here's a pro tip. You could check if the line is having a significant temperature drop right before the bi-flow dryer and right after the bi-flow dryer if that bi-flow dryer is on the liquid line. If you have a significant pressure drop before and after, you more than likely have a bad bi-flow dryer. Now, if you take a temperature measurement right where that liquid line leaves that condenser and right where it enters the indoor unit before the expansion valve or metering device, and you don't have a temperature drop, then you can move forward and diagnose that you possibly have a restriction in the actual metering device itself. This is how we find restrictions in liquid lines. I hope you learned something. Michael Johnson from AC Man Heating and Air. Give us a call if you need us.